No, man. I told you already. I'm sick and tired of it. I don't know. I don't care. I don't care. I'm leaving. I'm leaving Washington, man. I'm leaving. It's too wet. It's too rainy. It's too cold. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. I'm just joking, man. I love Washington. I love the rain. You know what else I love? Mr. Beast. Today is day 196. I'm tagging you until you invite me on to the next season of Beast Games. See this right here? This little Labubu. Keeping it safe so it doesn't get wet, doesn't get ruined. I'm gonna protect it with all my might. And I'll do whatever I can. Because in 4 days, I'll open it and we'll finally find out what is inside. Stay tuned, man. You don't want to miss it. Bye bye.